everyone, AshersStash here. Today we're going to be reviewing and testing this HOOVER Windtunnel ReWiNd Plus Bagless, which I found at a thrift store. This is how you release the container. It's hard to actually push it. There we go. This is the container of it. And I haven't run this thing yet, and I want to see how this thing runs. Before we start, let me look at the reviews on this thing. So, I love the blue design. I love that it's blue, and I love that it's a ReWiNd model. And there's a switch at the red switch right here to turn it on and off. And there's a gray switch right here that makes it go down and up. I actually put a new belt, put a new belt, and that's it. I put a new belt in it. I put a new bristle belt inside. So let's see how this thing runs. Sorry about the sticker. I actually came in from a thrift store. Daddy had to take it off, but it's still stuck. We'll take it off later. Let's see. So far, this thing runs pretty good. Does it have suction? It has this very cool stretch hose. I like that. It's not missing any attachments, which is great. There. Let's see. This thing actually runs pretty good. I love how it runs. So like, here is the bristle. That's pretty cool. And this tool right here. I love the blue section one. I actually like that. It's called a crevice tool. Let's put that back. And I also need you guys' help. I'm trying to get to this Primo filter right here, inside of here, but I don't know how to get to there. I tried to twist this thing, but it doesn't work. So can you please help me? If you can you comment down below to how to make me actually just get the Primo filter out, because I need to clean that. If you do, let me know in the comments. So that's all for today. That's all for today for this video. Comment down below and please help me with the filter problem. If you guys can help me, that would be great. Bye-bye for now. Let me just wrap this cord up. So, yeah, this thing doesn't need any help. It just needs some cleaning, that's all. And, that's it. So, that's all for this video, folks. Like and subscribe, and please comment down below about the filter, okay?